Good afternoon, my pigeon friends and YouTube family. This is Blessings Loft checking in. Just wanted to share something with you guys. We'll also do a short little update. I mean, not much to update y'all on. The birds' wings were clipped 3 weeks ago, pulled 2 weeks after that, which was last Sunday. And now everybody's growing flights back. The flights are coming in really nice. It's only been about a week, like I said, and you got about an inch of flights already coming out, so it's really nice. Young birds are looking good, obviously molting. Some looking worse than others, as you see that one's neck there. I got them all out now because they were all bathing. I was doing a deep cleaning in the loft. There's all the hens. There's all the cocks. There's all the young. And the one old hen from last year. Nothing will get you motivated like coming out and finding one of the young birds. It was lying here on the ground. And it had some cheese build up on the side of its beak, which let me know, I guess, to my best knowledge, it looks like canker. And it was yellow cheese in its throat. Wasn't bad, but it did have some yellow buildup in there, so I went ahead and took him out. I'll show you guys what I treated him with. I locked all the birds out, took out all the feeders, all the waters, scraped up, disinfected with Virkon S the whole loft, sprayed everything down, scraped up really good prior to, and then sprayed everything down, out, around the loft, inside, floors, walls, everything. So it worked out that I had the birds locked out. I went ahead and disinfected everything. No problems in the old bird sections, but I went ahead and did the whole loft, like I said. So I'm talking about perches, walls, floor. I don't want to be repeating myself, but basically everything in here got scraped out and disinfected. It's took me about 3 hours. It's now Saturday afternoon, around 5 o'clock. I started at like 2. So I gave the old birds a bath. They got bath water out there in the aviaries, and they're out there. This is my blind pigeon. She just stays in here. Once again, everything got disinfected. The waters got washed out prior as well, and then disinfected, and then set out to dry. Once everything was dry, I put it back in the loft and let the loft air out as well and dry. Which you still see some there, but that's also stained from where all the poop from the birds come down. That's what we got, and also let me show you guys what I treated this bird with. Like I said, I immediately separated it. As soon as I seen it this morning when I walked in the loft, it stuck out like a sore thumb. So I grabbed it up. You guys forgive the mess in here. Still got to clean up. Did give me a little fridge in here for my pigeon meds. It's old, but gets the job done. Okay. This is what I gave them. I think it's like Belgium or German or something like that. Can't really understand it too well in English, but if you look up the information online, it's for canker, individual treatment. It just comes with these. Pardon me for one sec. It comes with these pills, and you just take one out, put it down the throat of the pigeon. I gotta look up the actual directions and see how long I gotta actually give it to it for, but you get the gist of it. That's pretty much all I have to update you guys with. Sorry I don't have any more exciting news. As far as the rest of the young birds that look good, I have been keeping an eye on one or two who seem to have a little bit of a discolored wattle. Let's see here. I'm not sure if you can get it good, if I can get it good on video, but let me try to look at it. There's one. Where's he at? He's right there pecking at the other one. Right there. See that bird right there? See his wattle compared to this one? I'm not sure what's going on there, but there is one more, and there it is, the big one here, looking right at the camera. I mean, you can see the color of this wattle, and look at the color of that one. It's more of like an opaque. Once again, just keeping an eye on them. Everybody looks good. Like I said, molting, but this is the first sickness we've had in the 2020 breeding season, so I guess we've gotten lucky so far with as much rain and heat as we've had. Today, matter of fact, heat index yesterday, I haven't checked for today, but heat index for yesterday was 103. Really hot. So that's what we got. I don't want to keep you guys just looking at the same stuff over and over. Just a short update. You guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. And God bless. Till next time, keep them flying, guys.